Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about static variables. Static variables and methods in Python. Static means that the member is on a class level rather than on the instance level. Static variables exist only in single instance per class and are also instantiated. If a static variable is changed in one instance of the class, the change will affect its value in all other instances. We will start from our previous class. Here is our class Gamebox, and these are the properties, and this is the constructor, and these are our two methods. So here we will define a static variable count, and at the time of instantiating the object we will increase the value of count by 1 every time when an object is created. Here you can see that we have created two objects. So show the print total game box created, and here we will not use object name. Here we will use class name and the static variable. And here you can see that the count value is integer, so we have to convert this into a string. And here you can see that total game box created 1, and after creation of second object the total game box created is 2. Let's take another example. Let's create another object A130, and now you can see that in the end the total game box created are 3. And if we remove all of these lines, then you can see that the final result is that the total game box created is 3. Let's create another static variable sales, and at the time of object creation add 100 to this sales variable. And in the final result we see that the total game box sold or sales and then sales. And here you can see that the total game box sold are 3000. This is the sales amount. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.